Are you still guessing how much inventory that you need to reorder every single month? If this is something that you're doing, I'm so grateful that you're watching this video because there's a much smarter way to forecast demand and use AI to help you do this. And in today's video, we're going to break this down into 3 simple steps to help you calculate product demand accurately so you can order the right amount at the right time without overthinking any of it. So we're going to look into how to identify sales history, identify certain trends, and use AI to help you do the forecasting part of it. So stick around until the end. I'll give you the exact ChatGPT prompt that'll walk you through the entire process as if I or a member of my team is sitting right there next to you helping you implement all of this. Now, I am Orson from Simple RFID, and we help fashion retailers all around the world boost their inventory accuracy to 99% by solving the real problems they face every day. Now, just recently, I was talking to a Shopify store owner, and because of my job, that's something that I find myself doing very often. And they were telling me every time we do a launch, I either over order, I sit on product that's not selling, or I under order and I miss out on a lot of sales. And she was using her gut feeling instead of using real data. And based on the numbers, it was costing her. And I know it's costing a lot of other people out there. And she said, I don't even know what to look for in the numbers. I don't have time to figure all of it out, right? We don't want to take the time to figure it out because it sounds too complicated. But here's a simple mindset shift that I shared with her. You already have the data. You just need a system to read it and predict that demand. So instead of flying blind, what if you could look at your last 6 to 12 months and get a forecast that actually helps plan the buys that you need to have inside of your business? And this isn't that complex, you guys. It's just a habit. And AI is going to make it even easier for you. So here's the steps that I mentioned earlier. Step 1, pull your past sales data and start with your last 3 to 12 months of sales. And if you're on Shopify, export your reports. Now, step 2 is you're going to identify seasonal trends. Look for patterns. Do sales spikes during certain months? Are certain products holiday driven? And go through and highlight all of those. Now, step 3, compare the fast versus the slow sellers. Which SKUs are moving faster, which ones are moving slower, and split them up into 2 separate categories. Now, an extra step is step 4, and this is where the AI part comes in. Drop the data into the prompt that we'll give you at the end, and let AI give you a buying forecast to reorder suggestions and give you some margin projections. Now, these steps will help you plan ahead, optimize spend, and never get caught with the wrong numbers at the wrong time. And actually, one of our clients was using this process and they were able to increase their inventory turnover by just 41% in just the last, I think 2 months. And they stopped wasting money and on slow movers and they started doubling down on the best sellers. And what they told me is we just finally feel in control instead of being reactive all the time. Now, I know a lot of this can sound like a lot of spreadsheets and a lot of math and just a lot more stress that we don't have time for, right? But it really doesn't have to be. And that's exactly why we created a free ChatGPT prompt that guides you through this entire process. So just copy and paste your sales data into this prompt and then copy and paste it into ChatGPT and then hit send and it'll show you all the demand forecasts and buying recommendations and so on and so forth. All the good stuff that we've been talking about. Now, you can find this prompt that I mentioned in the description below, and this framework has helped so many fashion brands stop guessing and skip back to the growing that we all want to experience. So grab the prompt below and try it out for yourself or reach out to us if you'd like a system and a solution that just does all of this for you, takes the guesswork out of it all. Because that's exactly what we do here is we give you the solution that does it all. Now, simplerfid.com is where you can find us or reach out to us at any of the social media platforms at Simple RFID. And that's going to be it from me. So don't forget to drop a thumbs up if you appreciated this video. And if it wasn't helpful whatsoever, our only ask, honestly, is just to let us know why so we can continue to improve and just get better at making these videos and give you some content that is actually worth watching. That's all we want. So again, thank you guys for watching the video and we'll see you in the next one. See ya.